Important reminder: before you assemble your Libernovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority. It is recommended that users keep the original packaging for at least 7 days after receiving the goods. Start by laying out the chair base on a flat surface. Take the caster wheels and press each one firmly into place. Repeat for all 5 wheels, ensuring they're installed securely. Once all casters are installed, flip the base over. Now you're ready for the next step. Insert the gas lift into the center of the base. Next, carefully position the seat frame above the gas lift and lower it into place. Pull out the internal linkage rod and align it with the motor's mounting hole. Insert the screw and tighten securely using the provided screwdriver.
Ensure all parts are firmly connected before continuing.
Lift the seat cushion assembly and position it above the frame. Ensure that the sliding groove of the cushion module is properly inserted into the support angle of the base during installation. Secure the seat with the provided screws. Use the long screws for the side mounts. Lift the left and right armrests to their farthest forward position. Use the short screw for the front of the seat. Once the screws are tightened, connect the wiring. Place it into the correct position beneath the seat. Twist clockwise to secure the piece into place. Insert the tilt tension knob into the hole shown here. Once the tilt tension knob is installed, double-check that it's secure and turns smoothly. First, remove the clip by pushing it upward from underneath. Next, take off the plastic bag from the bottom of the backrest. Set the inner piece aside, you'll need it later. Now, align the top of the backrest and slide the bar into the slot until it sits in place. Use the clip to lock the top section securely. Place the bottom of the backrest into position, then use the piece you set aside earlier to secure it. Insert the headrest post into the top of the backrest frame until it clicks. Insert the battery by sliding it into the compartment under the seat until it clicks into place.